Do I sound a little raspy? Perhaps a little bit sick? I have been. Low-key. Do I sound like a man? Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, I'm going to be creating a date night, smoky, bronzy type of look. Let's see what we actually create. But if you guys want to see a date night or night out with the girls type of look, then just keep on watching. I've been getting sick. My son was actually sick over the weekend, so that was fun. I do want to mention I don't feel sick. It's literally just my voice and my throat that's like kind of killing me, I'm not gonna lie. But other than that, I have starts mentioning all the symptoms from COVID, huh? It's literally just been my throat that's just been bugging me. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 from Morphe, and it's my favorite palette. I'm not going to lie. It's one of my favorite palettes. Corona. Just kidding. I'm just going to grab her shade G Money. The other night I was watching Jordan, and she literally just posted her video, so I will link it down below. And she did this really pretty blown out smoky look with some glitter, and it looks so pretty. She probably only used like 3 shades, so I'm gonna try to attempt to do something similar to her look, but also I'm gonna try to make it more of my own ish. I might just take the shade Homebody, which is this one. It's more on the it's not really what I wanted, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna take this shade from the Too Faced the Natural Nudes palette, and then I'm gonna use their shade. I'm gonna use the shade Truffle from the Natural Nudes palette. Jeez, I am struggling today with words. The other day while I was editing, I noticed that when I blend out my eyeshadows, or when I'm like really focused on something, I have my mouth open, and that is the weirdest thing. Like, I'll just be like, I know I don't know why I do that. Like, it's just a habit. I don't know what else to call it, but I will catch myself while I'm like blending out or doing whatever it is, and in the videos I'm usually like, and I usually do edit out the parts, or I'll probably use the clip where I have my mouth closed, because it's just like, girl, close your freaking mouth, a fly's gonna go in there. And then I also do catch myself with like my posture. Like, there's times where I have left it in the videos, and I'm literally just like, and I'll fix myself and I'll be like this. But yeah, thought that was just funny. I noticed that the other day. I'm gonna take the black in her palette, and it's called Temptress. I'm actually gonna take the shade Homebody. It's that warm shade, and I'm gonna take it on top just to kind of help blend it out. I think this would be too matchy with my shirt, and I don't want that. This is cute, but it's too much. I use this damn color all the time. So I'm gonna take the shade Bougie, which is this one. I'm gonna take the shade Rider Diamonds, which was directly on top of Bougie. That shade is literally my favorite. Before I continue with the eye look, I actually want glitter, and I'm gonna be using this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Glass. It's just their like liquid glitter, and this is in the shade Night Dive. Just gonna go back into G Money which is the first shade that we initially put on. For primer, I'm going to be using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Look at how much I've used this up. I literally don't want to finish this because it's literally my favorite primer. One of my favorite. Well, my favorite primer. But I don't want to finish it. Next foundation this is new for my channel. This is not new to the drugstore, not new to me, because I used to use this foundation when it first came out. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. Trying to not do. Oh my gosh, I think I'm just gonna stop talking. Next, I'm just gonna go with my concealer, and this is the Too Faced one. Finally got my hands on the e.l.f. Putty blushes. I got my hand on one, and this is the Putty Blush in Turks and Caicos. What the? Okay. I definitely went heavy-handed on this side. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna finish my eyes off camera. While my lash glue is drying, I think I'll just work on my face. And I did buy a new bronzer, and this is the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded, and this is the shade Long Weekend, I think. Now, my thing is, this shit looks like highlighter, if I'm gonna be quite honest. Like, I mean, I don't know. It's very sparkly, very shimmery. I don't mind that as a topper. Now for lips, I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. For lipstick, I'm gonna be taking the Morphe. This is their matte one. This is their Mega Matte Super Matte lipstick in the shade Kissy Face. That's it for the video, guys. This is exactly what I would do if I was going out on a girls' night, on a date, on whatever. Going out and I want to do my makeup and I want to get ready. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.